I hope you're all fine. In this video we are going to talk about offset command. Offsetting a sketch makes it easier for us to duplicate existing sketch entities at an offset from the original sketch entity. The following sketch shown as an example of a sketch and its offset distance from the original sketch. Note that the original image is the one we sketch first. After that, the offset sketch is created by applying the offset entities sketch command. The offset sketch is defined by inputting an offset distance. To illustrate how we can create an offset distance, we will create this sketch. To sketch the given shape, we will create and fully define the original sketch. After that, we will create the offset sketch using the offset entities command. Here we go to steps. First, we should sketch and define original sketch using the sketching commands we covered in the previous videos. So as always, we should open a new file. We go to home and part, and we select the plane to sketch on. I click on top plane and I click on sketch. The sketch is something like glasses, and okay, now our sketch is fully defined. We go to the second sketch, setting. We forgot to do something. Now we select the offset entities command in the command bar. An options panel for the command will appear on the left hand side of the screen. From here we can customize our way of defining our sketch. Select any of the lines in the original sketch we created. Preview will then be shown in the sketch canvas, illustrating the result of the offset. The preview will be shown in yellow. Now let's talk about the options on the left side and see what are they for. Add dimensions. This option makes the offset fully defined upon implementation. Just like in our previous example, unchecking this option will create the offset, however, it will not add the offset dimension, thus making it undefined. Reversed. This changed the location of the offset. By default, the offset is applied outward. Checking this option makes the offset go onward. Select chain. Let me sketch a rectangle over here to see what chain is for. Now select chain. This command helps us select all the sketch entities that are linked together. For example, with this option, selecting one line of a rectangle will automatically select the whole rectangle since the 4 lines that make up the rectangle are connected. See? should uncheck this option if we only want to offset a part of the shape. For example, to offset only one line of a rectangle, uncheck this option and select one line, and you see it just offset one line and not a whole rectangle. Bidirectional. This will apply two offsets in two different directions, outward and inward. For example, I select this, and over here it has a sketch. Let's check on this rectangle. If I click on bidirectional, as you see, there is two offsets in two different directions, outward and inward. Over here, caps end. Caps end, this command is applied when the offset is not an enclosed shape, such as an enclosed rectangle or circle. Let me sketch a circle, an arc. Let's sketch an arc over here. Okay, and I click on offset. As you see, caps end is not locked anymore, and I click on this, and there is a cap at the end of this arc. The caps ends option allows us to easily enclose option loops between the original and the offset sketch entities. It has two options, arcs and lines. Construction geometries. This allows us to make the original or these offset sketch entities construction entities, for example, construction lines, arcs, and more. Checking the base geometry will switch the original sketch entity into construction entities. Checking offset geometry will do the same for the offset entities. For example, if I click on the base geometry, the original sketch will change to construction lines. But if I click on the offset geometry, the offset sketch will become construction lines. Okay, now let's delete this. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.